Hi, I'm Imogen and I'm going to show you how to re-silicone a tub. So first you want to remove the old silicone. You can use a blade just to carefully cut away the silicone, scraping off any excess, because you need to get rid of all the silicone because new silicone won't stick to old silicone. If you find a problem with the grout behind the old silicone, you have to remove all that. Match the grout if you don't have any spare on hand, and then clean everything out, make sure everything's as clean as you can get it. Use methyl hydrate just to clean off any last debris and muck that would get behind the silicone. This is a bit more thorough. And tape your seams so you get a nice clean line. Set yourself up. It's going to really smell, sorry. Would recommend wearing a latex glove or one on each hand probably. I usually just use one because I know I use my left hand for other stuff. So you put the silicone on, dip your finger in the glass cleaner, and it has to be, or I don't know whether it has to be, but the aerosol one is better. Stick your finger in it, wipe it, and you get a nice smooth line. So there's that. Get your bin bag ready so you're not flapping around. Apply a bead of silicone, thick enough that it's going to cover where you want it to cover, but not too thick that you're going to have so much excess that it gets messy. Get a tub, use aerosol glass cleaner, spray it into the tub, and then dip your finger in and run it along the bead of silicone in one smooth motion if you can. Remove the tape, spray glass cleaner directly onto the silicone, not too close so that it makes the silicone bubble, but far away enough that it just gives a coating. Another wee wipe to get rid of any ridges so it adheres to the tile and the tub, and then leave it. Don't touch it again, because even if you see a slight imperfection, chances are if you try and fix that imperfection you're going to make it worse, so deal with it.